My name is Abhi Arora. I work for Industry Capability Network, or ICN, and I'm the Executive Director for ICN in Queensland. ICN has been around for 40 years, connecting Australian and New Zealand suppliers to major projects. On one side, we help projects access the best capabilities out there, and on the other side, we're helping the supply chain to access those opportunities. We're hence contributing to the economic prosperity and job creation for the community locally. We have an extensive database of local companies where we encourage all companies to register. We then will create a platform where opportunities from major project proponents in the renewable industry will be listed, and that platform will provide a strong connection between local companies and project proponents' requirements.